Hi there. Today we'll be showing how to use the segment Anything model for tracking in CVAT online. This model allows you to automatically track masks or polygon shapes drawn on one frame onto any subsequent frames. Let's go over the setup. Here we will assume you already have Git and Python installed on your computer. First, we'll need to clone the CVAT source repository to our computer. This repository contains the source for the auto-annotation function that adapts the original model to CVAT. Then, we'll create a Python environment and install the necessary dependencies. For convenience, the dependencies are listed in the requirements.txt file in the model directory. The agent will require your CVAT password in order to connect to CVAT. We'll put that password in the pass environment variable so that it gets automatically picked up by CVAT command line interface. We are now ready to connect the agent to CVAT. First, we'll need to register the SAM2 function by using the function create native subcommand of CVAT command line interface. Next, we'll need to pass the base URL of the CVAT instance and our username. Make sure to substitute your own username if you're following along. We'll also need to pick a name that the function will have in the CVAT UI. It can be arbitrary. Here we'll use SAM2 tracker. We'll use the function file option to point the command line interface to the function source code in the CVAT repository. We will also need to specify the name of the SAM2 checkpoint we'll be using. We could use any of these checkpoints from Facebook's Hugging Face Hub account, but for this demonstration, we'll choose the smallest one. After the command completes, the command line interface will output the ID of the function assigned by CVAT Online. We'll use this ID in our next command. Now that the agent is running, we can use it to track objects. We will use this video of 2 cars as an example. First, we'll need to create the shapes we'll be tracking. We could use any method to do this, but in this case, we'll use another model, SAM2 for images, to do it semi-automatically. To do this, we'll open the AI Tools menu and select the segment Anything to interactor. We'll also enable the Convert Masks to Polygons shapes as polygons, but you can keep it disabled if you wish. Then, all we need to do is click inside each of the cars and press Done. As you can see, our shapes only exist on the first frame. It's time to track them onto the subsequent frames. We'll do this by opening the main menu and selecting the Run Actions item. This will let us track all current shapes. In this dialog, we'll select our model and set the parameters. You can choose on which frame CVAT should stop tracking. For this demonstration, we'll limit ourselves to 60 frames. Now let's press Run and wait for the processing to finish. In the terminal where the agent is running, you will see that the agent is receiving requests from the server, fulfilling them, and uploading the results back to the server. We're done. If we now look at the next 60 frames, we'll see that there is now a shape on each of them for each car. We have managed to annotate these frames with much less effort than it would have taken had we done each frame manually. Thanks for watching.